Okay, let's start on the Excel portion of today's exercise. In the workshop, if you open the Excel Part 4 PDF, which is the instruction file for the workshop, you'll notice I'm not going to go right through this PDF for you. You can do that in your own time, but there are two main sections that we'll be covering in this workshop. The first one is to actually see or test your previous knowledge of how to use VLOOKUPs and so forth, how to actually complete a spreadsheet. And the last one, which is probably the most important, is to answer the questions. But you can't answer the questions unless you've filled in the spreadsheet correctly. So I'm going to split this video into two. The first part will be how do we complete this spreadsheet, and the other point is the second part will be how to answer the question, and mainly we'll be using the pivot table. Right, so I'm going to be using this file here, Marita Loans Part 4, Number 1. I'm not going to open the second one. Won't be opening the second one. So get ready, open the file. Pause here, open the file, get ready to begin. First part will be we'll clean up the spreadsheet. Okay, see you guys in a second.